What are you doing with an umbrella? Haven't you heard of climate change? It's a perfect day for the beach.
Climate includes patterns of temperature, precipitation, humidity, wind, and seasons. Warmer global temperatures in the atmosphere and oceans lead to climate changes affecting rainfall patterns, storms and droughts, growing seasons, humidity, and sea level. It does not always have to be hot in some places. Floods and/or drought could become more frequent and more severe. GMO?
GM no. GM yes!
Some people have the misconception that GMOs are harmful to consume. There are allegations such as cancer, autism, hormone disruption, and many more. However, there are not enough evidence to back up these statements. Crops with GMO can survive in different temperatures and have better resistance against harsh conditions. Herbicide-tolerant crops allow farmers to use less or no chemicals. These farming methods reduce nutrition runoff and soil erosion, which helps rivers and requires less irrigation because there is additional soil moisture. It maintains crops' yields, safety, and nutritional value. Are GMOs really good or bad? The decision is up to you to decide.
One, two. Hey, hey! What are you doing with my plants? Get out of my Go!
Don't worry, we didn't hurt your plants.
By cutting some branches or leaves that seem unhealthy, this will allow for better air circulation, more sunlight, and less competition for nutrients among the plants. Also, by eliminating unnecessary portions of the plants sacking away valuable resources, this will allow a more efficient use of nutrients.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are currently experiencing a turbulence. Please fasten on your seatbelts.
When someone gets nervous, they might overbreathe in which there is too much oxygen. Breathing in a bag will cause carbon dioxide to increase because it does not involve the intake of oxygen that is needed in the process of cellular respiration. When there is too much oxygen, this disrupts the usual pH levels. Breathing in carbon dioxide brings the body back to normal pH levels so that the individual will breathe normally again.
Osmosis. Please work. Silly, you cannot use osmosis to study. Osmosis is diffusion of water across a selectively permeable membrane from a less concentrated solution into a more concentrated one, thus equalizing the concentrations on each side of the membrane. If you need help, just look up Boltzmann. Maybe some information would diffuse through your brain from watching his video.
When studying for AP tests, remember that you're not alone. Just like symbiosis, the relationship between two different species of organism, or in this case, you and your friends, are interdependent. Life is already full of competition between organisms to survive in a habitat with limited resources. Why make it harder?
I don't understand this FRQ. Just use natural selection. Woo! 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 But why?
Natural selection, the process whereby organisms better adapted to their environment tend to survive and produce more offspring. The theory of its action was first fully expounded by Charles Darwin and is now believed to be the main process that brings about evolution.
띵. 아,